What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to be making a banana cream pie milkshake. And if you want to know all the ingredients I used and how you can combine them to make this shake, then just hang on tight while we dive right in. Okay, first we're going to add a quarter cup of milk. Okay. Now we're going to add a teaspoon of malt powder. Okay. Now we're going to peel our banana and toss it in. Just break it up into pieces. Real easy. Okay. And finally we're going to add 2 tablespoons of graham cracker crumbs. That's 1 and 2. Alright, now what we're going to do is blend this up really good, and then we're going to come right back and finish it off by adding the ice cream. Now that we got that blended, let's go ahead and add 8 scoops of ice cream. Get in there. 1 scoop. We got 7 and 8. So we're gonna blend this together thoroughly. Okay, now that the ice cream is blended, it's time to pour up our milkshake and finish it off. Let's pour it up. Nice and thick, just like I like it. That should be good right there. I would just add a little whipped cream on top of it. How about let's add a few extra graham cracker crumbs on it. Don't matter if some falls on the counter. And we'll finish off with our cherry. Bring that up a little bit. One more thing. And there it is, a banana cream pie milkshake. Hey fam, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment below. And after you subscribe to the channel and you need even more milkshake ideas, hit that video on the left side of your screen and come and watch me make my restaurant worthy coffee milkshake recipe. And I'll meet you there.